Okay, let's take a quick look at gold. So gold has had this impressive sell-off, and we're just looking at the consolidation last few days. We've been sort of updating you on it and just showing you quickly on the old trade view charts. This is the 38.2 now being tested and then retested. So we're looking for a potential break now long. And if it wants to go long, we're looking for 50% and then perhaps even a 618 as your first targets, to retest that $2,000. Should it go higher, we'd be looking for 76.4 at 2025. So potentially that's the journey that it's got now to take to go long bullish all the way back up, with stops just above all of this price action. Should it fail here, this would be the place for it to fail and potentially drop and retest the lows. But we are bullish on gold, bullish bias, bullish sentiment, and therefore any sell-off like this should be seen as an opportunity to buy back into it. As I say, it could just go up to here, 50% retracement at around 1970 area, 1969. Make a nice 50% retrace before completely falling over again. So just keep an eye on it. That's what we're looking at in terms of simplicity. Drilling down into a little bit more detail, you can see that I was plotting the fibs on the 1 hour yesterday, looking at the price action. We did have a 50% retrace back down to 1906 before it continued to go long. You see that on my 1 hour chart. So that's what we're looking at there. Just going to get rid of that now, and so it just clears it up a little bit. And let me just, where is it? There we go. Yeah, it's pretty much it really. I don't really have anything else to suggest in terms of wanting to take shorts on gold. There's no shorting on gold whatsoever, and there hasn't been for some weeks. And if you did catch any short positions on this gold move, this massive correction, well done, well played. If you then try to take some longs and you haven't had much luck going long, it's because putting the stops underneath this price action is always quite a difficult thing to do when the range is this huge. But for all intents and purposes, we could, as I say, get up to that 1969. We've also got previous structure at 1967, so we could get up to there before it bounces off, retests the high, and then drops. So just keep an eye on it and just see what happens over the next few days between today and tomorrow. We are saying bullish and long, so if that sentiment changes, I'll be sure to update you.